Hi, in this video we are going to do table restoration / makeover. Under the layer of paint, the texture and color of wood looks great. I did not go for any fancy tools, just a drill machine and sanding disc. Sanding disc I ordered online. And I attached it with the drill machine. It did not work as efficiently as a sanding machine, but I do not do furniture restoration very oftenly, so it was good enough for one-time use. I had to change the sanding paper 4 times from the disc for the entire tabletop. I cleaned the dust from the entire table, and after cleaning, applied 3 layers of wax to the entire table. I wanted to retain the natural color of the wood. Therefore, I did not use any paints or stainers for the wood, just 3 layers of wax to the entire table. I'm really happy with the outcome. Hope you guys like it too. Thanks for watching.